Time for the Weird and Wacky segment.
Abominable snowman.
He's not an axe
One
murderer.
of the TAs turned out to be a bot.
Okay, first up on Weird and Wacky, Burger King hacked attackers, quote unquote, impressed by the commitment to terrible security practices. System described as, quote, solid as a paper Whopper wrapper in the rain, unquote. Other RBI brands like Tim Hortons and Popeyes also vulnerable. Did you read through all the things that they did wrong?
Wasn't there a password hard coded in the HTML, and the password was admin?
Yes. What are you doing over there, man? What do you like?
So good.
They could go in and make requests for stuff. They could make themselves employees, and they elevated their permission, like all kinds of things.
It's so good.
And just yeah. But the metaphor there, you know, solid as a paper Whopper wrapper in the rain is so like, good. Oh, you nailed it.
So
you
good.
nailed it.
Yeah. Last one up. That's so good. This 30-year-old CEO says his AI negotiator can successfully haggle down the price of a car by thousands of dollars to get access. It's going to cost you $40 a month, and it's going to generate a fake email and a fake phone number for you. And it's going to go after the specific car that you want in the specific area you want and start interacting to get an agreed upon price with that dealer. And claims they've got a lot of satisfied customers that have saved $2,000, $3,000, one time $4,000 off of MSRP. Which, I mean, if you're saving $4,000, that dealership was really raking it in. I mean, like, let's just be real. But yeah, I mean, this is great. Like, it seems like you're going to get a low response rate from dealers, I would think, because they're going to realize they're dealing with a bot. But obviously, somebody's responding. So great.
Yeah. So I'll tell you, years ago, I found a service, and I think I've talked about it on the podcast and recommended this service before. But basically, it was a car buying service that was manned by people that used to be car salespeople.
Yeah,
and you would pay them to go and get you the best deal and negotiate the price. And I tell you what, I've used it on one car, and it was worth the money because I didn't have to deal with any of that hassle. I was able to just walk into the dealership, sign the paperwork, get out of there. Like there was no, like, it saved so much of my time.
Yeah,
so
that's right.
When I read this article, I was excited about this because, man, this would be great.
What I like about it is that it forces you as the user to preemptively say, this is the car I want. These are the features that I want. This is the price I'm willing to pay.
Yep.
And then it takes all of the emotion completely out of it. And it's up to the AI to go and get you that deal.
Right.
And then you're not going to be like, oh man, I'm never going to find this car. I better buy this one for $5,000 extra because, you know, I'll never find another one. Like, no, it doesn't matter to you. It's not even, you don't even see it.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's great.
It just keeps working in the background. I love it.
Yeah.